Gonna be making a couple sales calls here. Hey, Jimmy the Gent. It's your favorite tool guy, Bill Davis over at Midwest. How you been, man? Well, you know what time it is today. It's about that time, tool time, right? Getting close anyway. I'm almost like to the dot every time I call you. It's like every 4 to 5 months you need some end mills, right? At least I keep good track of you, right? And I don't bug you too much, you know. I know, man, you're loyal, and I appreciate that. And I don't want to piss you off anyway by calling you every other week. I know you don't need stuff that much, every other week and whatnot. But I'm sure you need a couple sizes by now, though, my friend, right? All right. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, the big ones, huh? Yeah. No, no, I hear you. Okay. Well, on the 3/4, they're normally 219. I can give you 128.60, and on the 5/8, I can knock those down to 96.43. And those are nano. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So 1 3/4, 1 5/8, and then two of the halves, right? All right, you got it. You still working on? Did you ever take a look at those drills, or we talked about that last time, right? You said you found a drill you like. Who knows? I know. Remember, I sent you something on Morse drills or whatever because you said you were looking to change because you found out your drills were made somewhere. Those are good. Okay. Yeah, hey, let me know next time you need some of those too. I didn't know if you knew or not, but we're actually direct with them too, so I might be able to beat your price on those too. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah, no, de definitely. Definitely, definitely. But yeah, I mean, just keep me in mind when you need them, You got my cell phone and everything, right? You got everything about me but the size of my socks. You're funny. Well, you know what? I'll throw another business card in there so you can clutter up your desk a little bit more. Oh, you don't? Oh, you're probably drowning in them already. All right, my man. Well, do me a favor, man. Just keep me in mind next time you need some of that YG stuff. You call me. I'm your guy, all right? Thanks, man. I appreciate the business. Love you, man. Bye. And that's how you take care of a customer that you've been dealing with for, you know, 3 4 years of building rapport. But that's how it works, especially when you're a raw ass salesman like me. I mean, not to brag or anything, but it's kind of true. Okay, you're in for a treat. Watch this next pitch. Oh, I'm gonna blow you away with this. You can feel free to steal it if you want. I'm gonna be calling a customer that doesn't buy that often, maybe a couple times a year, sometimes once a year. Real small shop. I think it's a 1 or 2 man shop. And like I said, don't buy much, but I've been dealing with the guy for a number of years, so he knows me. It's raining. Hey, Matt, is Mark around? Okay, cool. Thanks. See, I'm on hold. Shouldn't be too much longer. Hey, 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 Marky Mark, it's your favorite tool guy, Midwest. How you doing? Good. How you doing, man? Hanging in, hanging out, and hanging out. That's how it goes, right? Well, hey, man. I hope I didn't pull you off of what you're doing, man. But I got some wild shit going on here today. I don't know if you're a baseball fan or not, but you heard the Brewers won a playoff spot yesterday, right? Oh, okay. So you're not a baseball fan, are you? Okay. Well, anyways. Put to put it lightly, the owner he has season tickets and they get first dibs at the playoff tickets. So basically, he's giving one set away to whoever gets the most orders today. And I got some wild stuff going on as far as prices on like ball nose carbide, double N, um, regular carbide. I mean, I know you haven't bought any in a while. Could you use a really, really good deal on a couple ball nose cutters, maybe a couple assorted sizes, or I mean, anything? Yep, that's what I got. Okay. Do you need the inch and a quarter, or you do need the inch and a quarter? Okay. Let me see. I know I was running low on them, but I'm getting some more back in here. But I'll tell you what I can do on those for you. How about 39 bucks for those? That's a steal, ain't it? I have a couple. They're due in here on Tuesday. Is that so? Is that all right if you get them by the end of next week, or is that not soon enough? Or because I mean, if they you get see they're doing on Tuesday, they should it takes 2 3 days to get to you, so that'd be like Thursday or Friday, right? If that's all right. How many did you need? I mean, I can. Hmm, okay. Yes, we'll do that. Yep. They only got 1 inch length to cut on those. Is that okay or no? Those are just a few, like 43 bucks, a couple dollars more than the other ones. Okay. Yep. All right. You got it. Any other sizes or any drills or anything? All right, man. Hey, I appreciate the business, man. I'll scrounge around and see if I can find any others. So, too. Yeah, I know. I know, man. I'll do my best, okay? Thanks a lot, Mark. Appreciate your business, bud. Bye. Ooh, a little bit of a bind on that one. Customer actually ordered something that I don't have here and cannot get very easily, so this is going to be tough. But anyway, I'm going to have to make it work somehow, and I will. So it's the way the ball bounces. But it's another sale. Six of one size and three of another size with the ball nose. Done and done. Two for two. But on that note, it's been fun, but I got some other stuff to do, so I'm gonna have to end this lovely sales demonstration at the two for two batting 1,000. I would pop off a few more, but I actually got to go visit a customer, and I'm running a little bit late here. But really, pretty much take a note, just be yourself, when you're talking to customers, and don't be afraid to be bold and say anything, try to make them laugh, talk to them like you're their friend, and that's seems to work the best. And don't be afraid to give a pitch every once in a while. Now, I don't like giving sales pitches all the time because then customers know that you're full of shit. So every once in a while, save a good pitch for a special occasion, like when you really need an order or something like that. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and talk to you next time.